Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make latte at home using French press. To make my homemade coffee, I use 2 French press. One is this big one. I use it to make the coffee. This would be enough for 3 cups of coffee. And then I use another one, which is the small one, to froth the milk. This one enough for 1 cup. And then you will need the ground coffee, and of course you also need the milk. Today I'm using soy milk. I'm gonna make 3 cups of coffee today. So normally I put around 50 grams of coffee, or 1/3 of the French press glass. But if I want the coffee to be a bit stronger, I will put a little bit more. So it depends on how strong you want your coffee to be. Now I'm gonna pour some boiling water that I have boiled earlier until almost full of the French press. And then stir it well and leave it for around 5 minutes to let the coffee dissolve with the water. After letting the coffee sit for around 5 minutes, now it's time to press it. Press it slowly and take your time. Don't press it too hard. Now it's time to prepare the milk. I've heated this milk in the microwave for around 1.5 minutes. Pour the milk into the French press. Do this motion until the milk becomes very frothy. Now pour the coffee into the cup, just 1/3 of the cup. And then shake around the milk to get a silky texture and to get rid of the bubbles. As you can see that there's not as much bubble as before. And finally, pour your milk into the coffee. There you go. There's your homemade latte. Enjoy!